Today I'm going to show you how to draw a gumball machine using a sphere and a cylinder. Both the sphere and the cylinder are three-dimensional shapes that Wayne Thiebaud used to create his dessert paintings. When we first draw a sphere, it's really just a nice round circle. To make a sphere look 3D, you have to use value and shading. We will talk more about that later in this lesson. So for now, your sphere can just be one large circle. Your cylinder, on the other hand, has some special parts. The top is a nice stretched out oval. The sides are made with two straight lines. The longer you make those lines, the taller your cylinder will be. Just make sure they are both even and stop at the same point. The bottom line must be curved. If I make it straight, I make my cylinder 2D and flat looking. I want it to be round, so I must use a curved line to connect my two side vertical lines. The curve that is here is the same curved line that we see on the top right here. They mimic or mirror each other. They look the same. To draw your gumball, we're going to start with the cylinder. You want to make it about halfway down your paper so you have enough room for the top sphere. I'm going to start with that stretched out oval. Draw two straight lines and make them the same length. Again, if you want a tall gumball machine, make the two lines a little bit longer. Then on the bottom, no straight lines. Use that curved line to make your cylinder look 3D. Next, draw your large sphere at the top of your gumball machine. That's where your gumballs will go. Now, I'm going to erase this line here because I know I wouldn't see that part of my cylinder now that the sphere is on top. If we look at Wayne Thiebaud's artwork here, we can see his gumball machines are full of gumballs. They overlap each other right here, and there are tons that fill the container. There's also details on the cylinder, a slot for money and a slot for the gumballs to actually come out. So now's your turn to be creative. Fill this top sphere with lots of gumballs and make them overlap. Put some gumballs in front of others. Using more spheres. You can add details and decorations to the bottom. Don't forget that slot for the money to go in and a slot for the gumballs to come out. You can add details and decorations to the bottom of your cylinder to make it your own. You can write things on it, come up with a name for it. You can put a table line in the background with some extra detail, or you can make your gumball machine stand on the floor and give it a stand. Have fun!